Hi everyone, welcome to Grow With Me. Today I'm going to transplant my peanut seedlings into raised beds that have been growing in the greenhouse for last 3 weeks. If you've been following along, I've started the peanut seeds roughly 6 weeks ago indoors. Then I potted them up 3 weeks ago and put them outside in my greenhouse. Today is April 27th and I'm ready to put these seedlings in the raised beds. I've already prepared the raised beds and filled them with quality dirt, which is 70% compost and 30% topsoil. As you can see, the dirt holds its shape well when pressed together and easily crumbles. This dirt shall provide enough nutrition for these plants through the season. Peanuts are legumes and fix their own nitrogen and usually do not rely on external fertilizing anyways. As you can see, some of the seedlings don't look very happy right now as the temperatures outside have been colder. We had our last frost approximately 2 weeks ago. We will go past the danger of frost here in zone 6B in the next 4 days, and the forecast looks clear of frost. I remain optimistic that these plants would thrive once the weather warms up. I've also prepared a slurry from rabbit droppings which I will pour in each plant after transplanting. I'm starting off by marking the planting site using a small rake, and then I'm using the shovel to make the planting holes deeper. I will be planting total of 13 plants in 2 rows, keeping seedlings roughly 8 inches apart, and the 2 rows are almost 18 inches apart. That leaves enough room on both sides of the peanut seedlings to get their pegs in the ground. That's where the actual peanuts are going to form. And here is the end result. Peanut plants are now in their final resting place for the rest of the season. I will love to see pictures or comments if you are also growing peanuts this year. Consider subscribing to this channel as it gives me encouragement to keep creating new content. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Till next time, happy gardening.